It often happens that the richest and most beautiful ecosystems are cursed by the very things that make them so appealing to us. This is the Calanque National Park in southern France, a place of incredible natural beauty only a few miles away from the city of Marseille and one of the most iconic spots on the Mediterranean coast. Well known for its landscape and its history, this area is nonetheless threatened because of our greed for the resources that can be found there, namely, the bauxite which abounds in the soil of this region and which is used for aluminum production via something called the Bayer process.
Le problème du procédé Bayer, c'est que pour produire cet alumine, il faut attaquer donc la bauxite avec de la soude et on récupère 50% d'alumine et 50% de déchets. Donc ce qu'on appelle les fameuses boues rouges qui sont donc constituées de beaucoup de métaux lourds, de l'arsenic, du mercure, du titane, du chrome, du zinc, du plomb, du cuivre, du vanadium et d'autres polluants encore.
The red mud produced by the aluminum manufacturing process is highly toxic, containing numerous bioaccumulative heavy metals that not only kill wildlife, but pass on to the humans that consume food from contaminated environments. However, most countries have begun to deal with the problem of bauxite waste in a different way, and at the moment, this spot in the south of France is the last place on Earth where red mud is dumped directly into the sea, creating an ecological catastrophe only a few kilometers away from a national park.
Et donc, à partir de 1966, les centaines de milliers de tonnes par an de boues rouges qui sont produites par l'usine de Gardanne sont directement déversées dans la Méditerranée à 7 km de cette calanque.
The European Tribunal in Defense of Aquatic Ecosystems heard the case of the red mud in Marseille and unilaterally ruled that the French state's authorization to dump bauxite waste in the Mediterranean Sea constitutes a flagrant violation of the rights of nature and called for an immediate end to be put for this harmful practice.
But far from solving these problems that we have, we in Western societies, Western-style societies, appear to be on an endless quest for more minerals, more metals, more materials extracted from the living body of Mother Earth to make yet more stuff. And I think it's worth pondering whether maybe this need to acquire more stuff is largely perhaps a result of our need to plug the gaping hole within us that arises because of our sense of separation from the whole. So as a civil society endeavor, the Rights of Nature movement reminds us of the best that we can be as humans when we are functioning as whole systems within ourselves and within the greater whole.